a lot of people recently, including Benjamin Cowan, are saying that we're following the 2017 bull run. Now, personally, I think they're saying that because the 2021 bull run no longer works as a parallel. But if we're following the 2017 bull run, then I know when we should actually go up. And that date is around early mid-April. Why early mid-April? Well, I've actually taken liberty today to actually go and look at this chart. I have this focused in on 2017, 2018. As you can see, January here, January 4th, 2017, $1,156. It actually goes down a little bit. And in February, we are only at about $1,031. Now, that is pretty much an exact parallel for what happened. We were much higher in January, or a little bit higher at least, about, $108,000, and now we're at $95,000. If you look at the percentage change between January 2017 and February 2017, it's about the same thing as January 2025 to February 2025. As you can see on this particular chart here, we didn't really go up until we get to about April 20th. Realistically, on April 5th, we were still at about $1,125. So by about April 5th, we should actually be at pretty much where we were in January, which isn't really, maybe slightly over $100,000. But we didn't really go up until mid-end of April. So we had a little bit of a bump in March and April, accumulating $1,273. However, that would probably be parallel with about $120,000. So if we go up to $120,000 in March, early March, and then come down to about $5,000 in April, that would be following 2017. And then by the end of April, we should be back around $120,000. And then this is where we really start to go up. Between April 13th, $1,170 to June 13th, $2,716, we should about double. And of course, the rest of the way, from June until July, we kind of are meh and even go down a little bit. And then July until September, we go up another big step. And then September to October, we're meh. And then after that, we go super, super high. That's how we need to follow if we want to do 2017. Obviously, the ROI is not going to be the same as 2017 at this point. But you kind of get the gist. After mid-April, we start going up. And, instead of going, to $200,000, maybe we go to about $130 by the time, May rolls around, maybe $150 by the time June rolls around. And then from June to July or August, we kind of steady at $150. And then after that, we go to about $200,000 afterwards. That's how we follow 2017. And of course, the alts will go up too and hopefully have a huge blow off top, either late next year or into early 2026. That's how we follow 2017. And I'm hoping that happens. Now, obviously, there's clues to that happening because we're probably going to get altcoin ETFs, notably Solana, Litecoin, XRP, Cardano, by probably Q3, Q4, 2025. And of course, FTX is starting to pay their money back next week. We also have regulations getting better, but that's going to take some time. So yeah, we could be following 2017. The ROIs won't be nearly that high, but the alts ROIs could actually be that high. So those are some numbers you need to look at. And when we start pumping, if you think we're following 2017, because if we get to June and we're not pumping yet, then we're not following 2017. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.